Hey, I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to look at getting into Google Drive and doing some stuff within Google Drive. To get into Google Drive, there's a couple of different options. You can go from any Google page, whether it's google.com homepage or your Gmail. As long as you're logged in to your Gmail, you should see this 9 square block. And again, if you're not logged into your Gmail, you can just log in and you'll see it from any of the pages. You can see it right here. So from any of those, you click that 9 square block right there. You're going to look for Drive. It's this multicolored triangle, says Drive underneath it. Click it once. That should open up your Google Drive. Now, if it's the first time you're using Drive, you're not going to see a whole lot in it. I use mine on a daily basis, so you can see I've got all of these folders, all of these miscellaneous files down at the bottom. But again, if it's the first time you're going in, you're not going to see a whole lot in there. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see My Drive. That's going to have all of the things that you have created, all the things that you have uploaded and saved. You're also going to see Shared with Me. That's where anything that somebody sends to you through Google Drive, this is where it's going to hang out. You can look for recent documents if you have sent it into a folder somewhere. For example, with mine, I have all these folders, so sometimes it's quicker to just go to my recent and look at it that way rather than having to click through all the folders. You can save photos. You can star things, which is kind of like favoriting it, and you can also view anything that you have deleted just in case you accidentally delete something. So let's go back to My Drive. Now in here, there's a few things you can do. To create new folders, you simply come up to where it says My Drive. You click it right there. You can add a new folder. You can upload files. You can upload entire folders. You can create Google Docs, which are kind of like Word, sheets that are like Excel, or slides, which are like PowerPoint. You also have a few more options right here. So you can do that through there, or you can click that New button right up here. For now it's blue. Every now and then they'll change the colors of it. But you can see everything right there. Now say I've created something already, but I need to share it with a coworker. So I just simply go to whatever it is I want to share. For example, if I wanted to share this keyboarding folder right here, I could click it one time so it's highlighted in blue. And I can come up here and click this person with the plus sign beside them. Open that, and it's going to say share with others. I can get a link if I want to put it on a website or something like that, so I can just post the link. I would start typing in the address of whoever I want to send it to here. And I can also choose what I want them to be able to do once I send it to them. With folders, I can allow them to organize, add, and edit things to that folder, or I can say view only. So I'll put something in here. I'll just choose myself. I can add a note, and once I'm done, I would press send. And then whoever you send it to, share it with, they will get a notification email saying that they are now allowed to access that folder or document. Now if I want to share, for example, if I just wanted to share this one document, not a folder, I would click it to highlight it, click the share button again. You can see I've already got it shared with one person. I would add whoever I want to share it with. And over on the right, I can say I want them to be able to edit it, I only want them to be able to comment, or I only want them to be able to view. And once you're done adding that, selecting what you want them to be able to do, you simply click done, and again they'll get an email. A couple of things up here, you can highlight something to delete it. You can preview it. So if I click that, it's just going to give me a quick preview of what's in there without actually opening it. And if I want the link for something, I can do it either through shared, or I can click this and it's going to give me a shareable link. Now, right now it says I have link sharing turned off. I can turn it on and get that link to post wherever I need it posted. I can change the settings anytime, whatever I need to do. Now over here, you can see I have everything stacked. It makes it easier for me to find things that way, but if you want to, you can change it to more of a grid look. If you want more information without having to open something, you can click View Details, and you can see I shared it with somebody, they edited. So it gives you all the activity and the details about it. Right down here, you can add a description if you need to. You can go to your settings, change settings within Drive. You can download it on your personal or work device if you need to. You can look up keyboard shortcuts to work within Drive. And one last thing, you can come over to these three dots right here for more actions. You can decide whether you want to open, move it to another folder. You can star it or favorite it. You can change its name. You can view its details. You can make a copy, or you can download. You can also get those options by simply right-clicking on something and have all of these options within there. I hope this helps get you into Drive, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. Have a great day.